This is the CarlinKit 3-in-1 Android 15 AI box from Aliexpress. It upgrades cars that already have factory wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, turning them into a truly wireless experience. Inside is a Qualcomm SM6350 8-core platform with 128 GB of storage. You get the Google Play Store for apps, split screen for video and maps, and over-the-air updates. Connectivity is flexible. Add a SIM card or a TEFF card up to 512 GB. Use the MiFi hotspot to share wireless internet with passengers. Dual Bluetooth handles hands-free calls, music, and accessories like tire pressure sensors and OBDII. Location is strong with built-in global positioning system, GLONASS and Beidou. Setup is simple. Plug the box into your car's USB port, pair your phone, and drive. On some vehicles you may use the auxiliary power cable. This unit comes from Aliexpress.